Hello and welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Barun and in today's video we will explore our booking insight section. This section gives you a clear, organized view of all the bookings associated with your account. Whether you are reviewing recent activity or analyzing historical trends, Booking Insight helps you stay in control of the booking data. To begin, let's access the analytics section on the left sidebar. This page does have restriction based on the roles. Administrator user will have access to all the data on the account. A team manager will have access to the data for the bookings that are associated with the members in his team. And a member user will have access to bookings or data that is associated with themselves only. Now, the first option that we'll see is the view by. So you have an option to retrieve the data based on the creation rules or the creation date or the meeting date. Next comes the time range. Now, you have an option to set up custom date range to get the data based on your specific requirement, or you can use the default 7, 30, 90 days range as well. Next comes the filter, gives you an option to filter the data based on the booking status, for specific booking calendars using booking calendar name, for specific users on the account using meeting host, and then for specific UTM parameters. Now, let's say I want all the scheduled meetings for user, that is Henry, and I want to see all the upcoming meetings that are in the next 30 days. So this is how I select the options, and I'm presented with all the meetings that are upcoming in the next 30 days for Henry. Now I can go ahead and save this data as filter as well. As soon as I saved it, next time that I want to go ahead and see the data for the next 30 days for Henry, all I would need to do is come over to the saved view, select this option to filter, and I will be presented with the relevant data. Now, even without the filter, we do get a lot of information. Let's say meetings that were created in the last 90 days. I can go ahead and see this graph and see the relevant dates when all the bookings were scheduled and analyze the trends. I can then again select this option to see monthly data, day by day data, hourly data as well, whichever is available. Then we can see there were 64 total meetings with a weekly average of 5, cancellation 17, no-show completed with a percentage information as well. Next, we do see meetings per user too. For all the relevant user, we have a data for the meetings that were associated with them. Then per booking calendar as well. Now, all of this information can be exported as a whole using a CVS or a export file. Excel file. Now, you do have a function like flexibility to export based on meeting per user as well. So, for example, you want to export just a meeting per user there, just come over here and export as a CVS or Excel file. Next, you can also export for booking calendars as well. So, and here you want to go ahead and view the meetings. So let's say there are 40 meetings with Henry and you want to view them. You can just click view meetings. This will redirect you to the activity stream where all the meetings that are associated will be listed and you can check them out here. So this is how you can get insight on the bookings that are associated with your account and stay in control of the booking data. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.